Oh, this isn't looking good. Pocoyo's box had landed on Sleepy Bird. Ellie, Pato, that's not Pocoyo. Believe me. Can any of you help here? Is that Pocoyo inside the box?
No! Pocoyo isn't in the box!
Ah.
Oh, poor Sleepy Bird. I bet you'd like to get out of the box.
I'm starting a new jungle at. I'll need a head for one of you. And a head, and a foot. I know any part will do, ha ha ha. I'm looking for someone to play hide and seek with. You go hide and I'll come find you, ha ha ha. Start running. Ah, ah.
I'm sure your friends would help you, but they think you're a monster. What's that, Sleepy Bird? Since everyone thinks you're a monster, you'll be a monster? Oh, dear.